This is Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals, and this is a Touchpoint Update. As always, remember to like this video and subscribe for future updates. As Director of Education here at Augusta Precious Metals, I'm constantly looking for new opportunities for our customers, for times that I believe it is an advantage to get on board with physical gold and silver in an IRA. This is something I'd like to discuss today, because I am currently seeing such an opportunity for silver. Gold and silver are seen as having safe haven capacity, so they often help people offset losses they face from other types of assets. There are many other reasons why more Americans than ever are looking at physical silver to diversify their retirement savings. I'm going to go over 7 of those reasons with you now. While I talk, I'd like you to think about how this can affect your own retirement savings and what you should do about it. First, let's look at silver's industrial demand. When it comes to metals, silver is the best at conducting both heat and electricity. Silver is used in thousands of technologies. Maybe you remember from economics class that an increase in demand often means an increase in price. So an increased demand for silver means it's likely to increase in value. The second reason some people believe silver prices will continue to surge is the recent increase of interest in green energy, which is highly dependent on silver. President Biden is committed to taking the country away from fossil fuels and toward alternative energy. We're talking about things like solar panels and 5G technology, vehicles, and other technology-based tools. Silver is such a big part of all of these technologies. Demand is expected to increase even higher, which is likely to keep pushing silver prices up. The third reason some believe silver will keep going up in price is supply. Supplies for silver are finite. No one can create more silver. So the more we use, the more available supplies are reduced. This is probably another point you learned in economics class. When supply goes down, prices often go up. The fourth reason Americans are looking to silver is volatility. Silver is a much smaller market than gold. This presents a major opportunity. In fact, the Silver Institute put out a statement in February. Here's what they had to say. Given silver's smaller market and the increased price volatility this can generate, we expect silver to comfortably outperform gold this year. This seems like a pretty good indicator that silver could be a great opportunity for many retirement savers. The fifth reason is that although the value of silver has gone up, some experts think it could still be undervalued compared to gold. Economists keep track of this with a metric called the gold to silver ratio. Understanding how this ratio works will help guide you to learn why silver is the right opportunity right now. CPM Group recently said about the ratio and silver prices. The ratio has corrected from those record high levels, but is still at elevated levels, suggesting more potential upside for silver prices relative to gold. The sixth reason is what we're all seeing now: inflation. In 2020, as economies were shut down, there was less manufacturing. The result was less silver was used, and yet the price of silver climbed 47.5%, mostly based on currency devaluation. Finally, no one can predict a bubble pop. In 2008 to 2011, during the housing bubble pop, silver increased in price 500% in 2.5 years. If you're serious about learning in detail the silver opportunity, we can share with you everything we know about what's going on in the economy and help you understand why silver, why now. For more information about what's happening in the economy and how gold and silver play a role, go to Augusta Precious Metals website and sign up for our free guide. Better yet, sign up for a one-on-one web conference with me or a member of Augusta's education team. We're here to help. This is Devlin Steele, Augusta Precious Metals, signing out. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check back often for more updates.